Make a great choice today with the 2023 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.